76% of designers just predicted something shocking about your kitchen. And if you're planning a renovation in 2026, ignoring this one trend could cost you $20,000. Here's the thing nobody's telling you about kitchen design right now. One of the most popular kitchen styles of the last decade is officially dying. And the replacement? It's not what you think. Drop a comment if you're renovating in 2026. Let's get into it. First up, that all-white kitchen you've been dreaming about. It's over. And designers have been trying to tell us for 2 years now. Here's what the data shows. According to the National Kitchen and Bath Association's 2026 report, 72% of industry professionals are moving toward transitional and timeless design. Translation? Stark white kitchens are out. Gray kitchens are out too. The replacement isn't dark or dramatic, it's smarter. Think warm neutrals, mushroom tones, light browns, natural wood finishes that actually age well. Why does this matter? Because white and gray kitchens don't just look dated. They show every fingerprint, every speck of dust. They're high maintenance and low personality. The fix? Choose warm oak or walnut cabinets paired with neutral stone countertops. It's timeless, it's easier to maintain, and it won't scream 2025 in 5 years. Number 2, your lighting is wrong. And you probably don't even know it. 87% of designers say statement lighting is dominating kitchens in 2026. But here's the secret. It's not about those expensive pendant lights everyone's hanging over. Islands. Natural lighting is what 95% of homeowners want most. Then quality task lighting at 93%. Those pretty pendants? They rank way lower at 63%. So what should you do instead? Prioritize under-cabinet lighting at 82% adoption. Add interior cabinet lights at 72%. These functional lights transform how your kitchen works while keeping costs reasonable. Skip the $3,000 sculptural pendants that collect grease. Invest in LED strip lighting and smart controls instead. Your future self will thank you. Third, smart technology in kitchens. Everyone wants it. Most people waste money on it. The NKBA report reveals smart tech is in the growth phase. But you need to be strategic. Wi-Fi-enabled appliances sound cool until you realize you're paying extra for features you'll never use. Here's what actually adds value. Embedded wireless charging in your countertops. Voice-controlled lighting that you'll use every single day. Smart refrigerators with proper storage configuration. These features support wellness and function. The trend to skip? Tablets built into your backsplash? They become outdated faster than your phone. They look cluttered. And they're expensive to replace. Focus on technology that makes cooking easier and kitchens healthier. Powerful vent hoods at 85% demand. Steam cooking at 66%. These are the upgrades that matter. Here's trend number 4. And this one's surprising. Wood grain cabinets just beat painted cabinets for the first time in decades. 59% of designers report wood grain is growing in popularity. And the winner? White oak at 51%. Not honey oak from the 90s. Not dark cherry. Natural white oak. For countertops, quartz dominates at 62% with natural quartzite close behind. Granite? Only 43% now. It's high maintenance, it needs constant resealing, and that glossy finish looks dated. The smart move? Pair white oak cabinets with quartz countertops in warm neutral tones. You get the natural material trend without the maintenance nightmare. And it photographs beautifully for resale. Number 5 is about layout. And it's the opposite of what you'd expect. American homes are getting smaller. But 76% of experts predict kitchen footprints are getting larger. How does that math work? Kitchens are absorbing other rooms. They're replacing dining rooms. They're becoming command centers with dedicated zones. 85% of designers are adding beverage stations. 64% are creating pet feeding areas. 59% want eat-in kitchen space. This isn't about making your kitchen huge. It's about zoning. Create a coffee station. Build in a breakfast nook. Add storage that actually works for how you live. The old kitchen work triangle? It's dead. Functional zoning is what increases your home value now. Trend 6, color is back. But not how you think. 96% of professionals still love neutrals, but greens hit 86%. Blues reach 78%. The catch? Location matters more than the color. Don't paint all your cabinets green. That's how you date your kitchen. Instead, use color in 60% of backsplashes. Add it through wallpaper at 60%. Featured on your island at 57%. Think of color as an accent, not the main event. Deep green on a kitchen island paired with warm neutral cabinets? That's timeless. All green cabinets? That's 2026 in a bottle. Finally, the upgrade with the best return on investment. And it's not what most people choose. Induction cooktops are exploding in popularity. They're faster than gas, more precise than electric, safer for families. And they're easier to clean than anything else on the market. Here's why designers love them. No more 45-minute cleanups after cooking. No burnt-on residue, water boils over. Just wipe it off. The surface only heats where your pan touches. Plus, with more cities banning gas in new construction, induction is future-proofed. You're not just following a trend. You're making a smart investment. Pair an induction cooktop with a statement range hood. That's the combination defining high-end kitchens in 2026. So here's your 2026 kitchen design cheat sheet. Skip stark white and gray. Invest in smart lighting, not expensive pendants. Choose white oak and quartz. Zone your layout, use color strategically, and seriously consider induction cooking. If this saved you from a costly mistake, smash that like button. Subscribe for more design trends that actually matter. Next video, I'm breaking down the bathroom design trends for 2026 that'll shock you. See you there.